glove that we use for slime that I made. This is clear glue, but we kind of ran out of it, and there's just a little bit left. And this is white glue. We're gonna make more slime with it, but you kind of need more activator. And this is glitter. We used up all the other glitter, but there's only one left, which is purple. Now I'm gonna show you my slimes. And this is the slime that I've been working on. It has pink food coloring, and this is my fish, and this is my brother's Fishizu Blue. That's what we call him. And he eats the roots. See him? And this slime is made, as I was saying, this was my first slime I've been working on. And it has pink food coloring and golden glitter. And I'm gonna show you my other one. This is my galaxy slime, which has a lot of blue glitter. And I used blue food coloring and blue glitter. And this is my aunt slime that she said I could keep, and it feels really good. And she used purple food coloring and purple glitter. And before you leave, like and subscribe, and do it next time for Hannah's Slime.